Hey fans, this is Brett Carroll asking you to show your support for the Ronald McDonald House of Nashville throughout the month of July by attending a Nashville Sounds game. Please support us because it goes for a great cause.
We're not a miracle drug. We're a smile. We're not a technology. We're a hug. We're not doctors. We're friends. We're not a hospital. We're a home, which can often be the best cure of all. The Ronald McDonald House, a home away from home for seriously ill children and their families.
Yeah, good. Just got on
And don't forget to save your pool tabs. We really appreciate the support.